Government is hoping that this policy will also reduce the number of pregnancies among school-aged girls, while it's specifically geared towards providing adolescent mothers the opportunity to re-enter the school system to complete studies without interferences.
I have heard school officials acting as though these girls have an infectious disease, and if you put them in the schools, you will see this contagion of pregnancy. Somehow they always believe that if these girls are in schools while they are pregnant, the whole school will become contaminated. And it is not something that really happens.
First Lady Sandra Granger addressing the gathering at the launching of the National Policy for the Reintegration of Adolescent Mothers into the Formal School System on Monday. The First Lady says that comprehensive health and family life education in Guyana's school system is a must, and this should begin at the nursery level.
And I know also that some teachers are reluctant to teach it because they believe that if you teach sex education, we will have this orgy in the schools, which doesn't happen anymore. It all ties into teaching them to be responsible about themselves and teaching them to respect themselves.
According to the First Lady, many adolescent mothers generally feel like outcasts, and this needs to be corrected. She says that when it comes to them receiving prenatal care, they must be exposed to friendly health facilities where staff are non-judgmental.
They understand the position, and one would hope that they see this as this person as a girl child needing their care and advice and some measure of protection. And those of us who are honest will know that that does not occur throughout our healthcare services system.
She added that adolescent fathers are not being forgotten. They will also be provided with training and counseling since they need to take up their responsibilities as fathers regardless of their ages.
In our society, quite often the young man gets off scot-free. We hear about, the cow coming into my bull's pasture and all the rest of that mothers tend to tell their boy children. But it doesn't work like that. We have to have equal responsibility, and the girls do not impregnate themselves. So I would like to see that the young men from early learn that they have to take up their responsibilities.
Reporting for HGP Nightly News, I am Kristen Macklingam.